Have you ever wondered how a single storm could transform an entire nation? The Great Blizzard of 1888, which struck the eastern United States from March 11 to 14, paralyzed cities and transformed infrastructure planning. This catastrophic event began with an unusual mix of warm air colliding with cold air, resulting in massive snowfalls. Cities like New York, Boston, and Philadelphia were blanketed under up to 50 inches of snow, while winds howled at 45 miles per hour, creating snowdrifts that buried entire buildings. Trains were stranded, telegrams went undelivered, and lives were tragically lost, with estimates of over 400 fatalities. The blizzard's aftermath revealed the vulnerabilities of urban infrastructure. In its wake, cities began to rethink their emergency response systems, leading to the development of improved telecommunication lines and snow removal procedures. Public transportation systems were overhauled, laying the groundwork for today's resilient infrastructure. The Great Blizzard of 1888 serves as a stark reminder of nature's power and our ability to adapt and innovate in the face of challenges, forever altering how cities prepare for severe weather.